What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to launch a token on Base. So first you'll need to define the token's nature, whether it's a meme coin, a utility coin, or for a Web3 project. Then you're going to go over to alienbase.xyz. And on this website, you'll need to scroll to look for the token generator section. When you click on it, you'll need to connect your wallet and have sufficient funds. You'll need to choose which wallet you'd like to connect to, whether it's MetaMask or Phantom Wallet or any other option that you might have. Then ensure you have at least 0.015 Ethereum on Base for the service fee, plus additional ETH for gas fees, approximately around $5 worth of Ethereum. The next, you'll need to give your token a name. For example, you could call it Nikien. Then next you'll need to choose a ticker. So you choose a concise symbol for your token, like we could say for Nikien, we could say KYN, and you just need to make sure that it's unique. You could go over to CoinGecko, search for KYN, and if nothing pops up, that means that concise symbol is available. Then you'll need to decide on token capabilities, such as whether it will be mineable, burnable, or neither. Beware of implications of each choice. So you'll need to know what you really want. And then next you'll need to set the total supply. You might want to try aiming for a high supply. After that, choose transaction fees or taxes. This is optional of course, but you might want to decide to add transaction taxes, which can be used for marketing and development of your token. If you do, you'll need to specify the percentage that goes to your wallet and the percentage that goes back to the pool. Then next, deploy your token. Ensure that your wallet has at least 0.017 ETH to cover all fees and approve the transaction. The token generator should take about a few minutes. The next step is optional. That is to add token to wallet. You can integrate your token into your wallet or add it directly to MetaMask. The next, you'll need to create a liquidity pool. To make your token tradable while still in Alienbase, you'll need to go to the pools page and click Create Pool. Then pair your token with Ethereum. Choose your newly created token and Ethereum to create a trading pair. If your token does not appear, you can paste its contract address. Select V2 for a standard 50-50 pair and click Continue. Then add liquidity. This step also sets the initial price of your token. It is recommended to add a significant amount of Ethereum, ideally $1,500 to $2,000 worth, and a large percentage between 90 and 93% of your tokens to the liquidity pool. And what this does is it builds trust on your token. Then approve transactions. You need to approve the contract to use your tokens, preview the supply, and then approve the final transaction to launch the pool. So following the steps in this guide, you'll be able to launch a token on Base.